What are microservice frameworks? Microservice frameworks are libraries or toolkits that help you build microservices. They provide all the functionality you need to create and manage microservices. Frameworks. Service registration. A service registry is a database used to keep track of the available instances of each microservice in an application. The service registry needs to be updated each time a new service comes online and whenever a service is taken offline or becomes unavailable. Service discovery. Service discovery is how applications and microservices locate each other on a network. Implementations include both the central servers that maintain a global view of addresses and clients that connect to the central server to update and retrieve addresses. Service orchestration. In microservices orchestration, the orchestrator is the brain, or logic component, that assigns tasks to the microservices. On obtaining a transaction request or a query, the orchestrator decides on the workflow and distributes tasks to the microservices. Service monitoring. Monitoring is simply a set of practices to understand your microservice environment's performance and allow you to troubleshoot problems. It helps to identify underlying errors and recognize the application's overall health. Service routing. Microservices route requests between each other. As the underlying infrastructure changes, this routing becomes more complex and dynamic, and the interaction patterns across this infrastructure require operators to create rules around traffic management. Microservices for risk management and cost savings. Risk management. The first reason CFO should care about microservices is that they help reduce risk. By breaking an application into smaller, isolated services, microservices make identifying and fixing problems easier. If one service fails, the others can continue to run unaffected, which minimizes the risk of an outage. Additionally, microservices can help prevent capacity issues leading to downtime by making it easy to scale services as needed. And because each service has its database, data loss is minimized in the event of a failure. Cost savings. The second reason CFO should care about microservices is that they can save money. Microservices are highly efficient, making them easy and fast to deploy. This means you can get new features and updates to your customers quickly without incurring the costs of a lengthy development cycle. Additionally, using commodity hardware and open-source software, microservices can be deployed at a fraction of the cost of traditional monolithic applications. This makes them an attractive option for businesses on a tight budget.